How to cancel an accepted replacement. If you accepted a replacement but can no longer perform it, there are two methods to cancel it. The first method takes place in the Home module. In the calendar, locate the accepted replacement offer you need to cancel. Click on it. On the page that opens, click Cancel in the bottom right corner. A comment of at least 5 characters is required to explain your cancellation. The replacement on the calendar will turn burgundy, indicating that it has been cancelled by the substitute. The second method is to access the Replacements module, either from the left menu or using the Accepted Replacements box on the Home module dashboard. Locate the accepted offer you need to cancel and click on the pencil icon. On the same page that opens, click the Cancel button in the bottom right corner. Again, provide the reason for cancellation and confirm your choice. Just like the first method, this replacement offer will turn burgundy, indicating that it has been cancelled by the substitute. Note that all concerned parties will be notified, regardless of the method used. Thank you for trusting Scalego.